Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to unlock Trust Wallet USDT. Let's begin. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Once inside the app, scroll down and tap on Manage Crypto to access the list of available tokens. Now, look for USDT in the list. If it is not immediately visible, tap on the search bar at the top and type USDT. You will see multiple versions of USDT available across different networks. To unlock the token, simply toggle on the version you need. For example, if you use Binance, select the BNB Smart Chain version. If you use Ethereum, enable the ERC20 version. Other available networks may include Avalanche C-Chain and Polygon. Each version of USDT corresponds to a specific blockchain network, so choose the one that matches the network you use most. Once you toggle it on, the selected USDT version will be added to your wallet, and you can begin sending or receiving it through that network. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.